हरिः कर्ता।
Let's wrap up this module 1. That's uh, what is matplotlib, or beginning matplotlib, beginning with the matplotlib. So we'll wrap up this with working with multiple figures and axes in the same canvas. Okay, so far we are doing that, but still, so we can open multiple figures with multiple calls to, so fig plt dot figure method or fig2. These are the different ways. Let me show both. Fig2 one, we used two ways. One is fig is equals to plt. Let me type that so that it will be clear. So working with multiple figures and axes. So the one way is equals to fig is equals to plt dot figure, and second one is we'll take fig2 comma ax is equals to plt dot subplots. That's it. These are the two ways of creating or we can open multiple figures with multiple calls. So by keeping the object references, we can add artists to either figure, okay. So now so as we are here, we are checking the object references now, so we can add artists to either figure, either subplot in another way. So multiple axes can be added number of ways, but the most basic one is this subplots, plt dot subplots. This is the one. As and so one can achieve more complex layouts with axis objects spanning columns or rows using the one more. If you want a complex one, we can use subplot underscore mosaic. So this is the most. Even we can add a complex uh, a plot subplots also. Okay, let's take one example. So I'll take a fig and axt, that is equals to plt dot subplot mosaic. Till now we were using subplots, but this time I'm going to use subplot mosaic, and inside that I'll have a list of lists or sequence of sequences. So I'll have two sequences so that I can define the locations of that. So first one, up left, comma right. Then we have low left, comma right. So total we're getting four. So up left, low left, right. So okay, it's a right and right. So we'll be having a three. Left side will have two, and whereas on right side we'll be having only one. That's it. So now, and second argument we'll be giving layout. It's the same constrained. Yeah, and let me execute and show it to you. Yeah, this is what we have created, a plot. This plot consists of three figures or three subplots, and this is up left, low left, right. You have only one figure on right side. So now let me add some. So we have created an object. So now we can do the object referencing. We can use lot of methods specific to that object, and we can customize each and every figure using this axt, so let me use that axt, or directly let me index it. I can index each and every figure from this. So I will go for the up left figure, this one. So up left figure. And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna set title for this. So title would be just up left. That's what the title. And execute. And that's okay. Sometimes these things happen. Yeah, you got the up left. Up left. Similarly, you can target the lower left using object referencing again. Let me go for the indexing and then I'll say lower left. That's what my index. And then I'll set title for this also. And the title would be low left. And here is that. It's a low left. And next one, AXT will target the right one. Right. And let's set title. It's just right. And here is that. So that's how we create a multiple figures and axes, and we can by using the object referencing we can customize each and every figure in the canvas or in that plot. So this is how we do. So Matplot has a quite sophisticated tools for arranging axes more than this. Okay, with this we'll be wrapping up this the first module that's getting started with Matplotlib, or just simply what is Matplotlib. That's our first module. So, and we'll be looking into the more advanced topics in our next module.